November the 21st, 2017. As you're looking at an artist's rendition of an asteroid, or what they're saying was an asteroid that just kind of caught everyone off guard last month after it had came into the solar system and then had come around the sun, and our radars and some of our other telescopes started picking it up. I'm hoping that once they process the radar images, we'll get to see those. But again, this is an artist's rendition of a very elongated, what they say possibly was an asteroid, about 400 meters, pretty long, about 40 meters wide. Now, the description is unique also, and they're saying they have never seen anything like this because it is an interstellar asteroid or object. In other words, it's not something that we see orbit around the sun, go out to Jupiter, and come back in every 4 or 5 years. This thing, as far as in our history, has never entered our solar system before. But what the radar is picking up, guys, is very strange indeed. Let's take a look at that. Again, an artist's impression of an interstellar asteroid called Oumuamua. The unique object was discovered on the 19th of October, 2017 by the PanSTARRS 1 telescope in Hawaii. Subsequent observations from ESO, that's a European Space Organization, very large telescope in Chile, and other observatories around the world show that it was traveling through space for millions of years before its chance encounter with our star system. Oumuamua seems to be a dark, red, highly elongated, metallic, listen, or rocky object. About 400 meters long, and is unlike anything normally found in the solar system. The radar also was showing about a 40-meter width. Most asteroids that we've seen, they're not necessarily round, but they are not elongated like this. Because as they're spinning through space, it's kind of like a pebble going down a river. It eventually will kind of round off, like the planets, most asteroids, things like that. But this is never been seen before. It is not from our solar system. And they're saying it could be metallic. This is in the European Space Agency's report, or rocky. Now, I would say it would have more, be closer to a metallic object or heavily metallic object, because it is not performing that eventual rounding off after millions of years in space. And it was not going exactly straight like this on radar. When they first picked it up, it just looked like a normal asteroid, but it was tumbling. Came around our sun and immediately shot out. They didn't have much time to train the world's telescopes on it, but they did get it. They got the imaging, they got the size of it. And again, I hope that we get to see some of those radar images. We've seen it before, the asteroids. What I'm going to do here, guys, is just play you the model of the asteroid itself and how they modeled it coming into our solar system. Watch it, guys. It's a heads up. I hope we get some updates on this. It's very interesting indeed. Be safe.